Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the first virtual travel and tourism open day for EDC College, East Durham College. A bit of a welcome. On behalf of EDC and the travel and tourism team, I would like to welcome you to this information session. My name is Linda Ransom and I'm the course leader for travel and tourism. The presentation should be about 10 minutes and I was hoping to have some time for questions, but please do email the college or speak to student services and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So, the travel and tourism industry, one of the world's largest industries, lots of jobs, different opportunities in the UK, Europe and worldwide, and the opportunity to travel. It's a people industry. No 2 days are the same. It's exciting, challenging, demanding, but most of all, it gives you great experiences. The courses here at EDC for travel and tourism include a Level 2 Business and Tourism, including event planning, and a Level 3 Travel and Tourism Year 1 and Year 2. I'm going to give you a little bit more information about those now. Entry requirements. For our Level 2 programme, we ask that you have achieved 4 GCSEs at Grade 3, including English and Maths. For Level 3, we ask that you have achieved 4 GCSEs Grades 4 to 9, including English and Maths. We'll always discuss these grades with you when you come to enrol or when you come for interview. So what will you study? At Level 2, a combination of business, travel and tourism and event planning units. This will enable you to gain the knowledge and skills of these areas of the sector. With a skills gap in County Durham for businesses needing employees with event planning background, plus business and travel, this is a valuable qualification to have. At Level 3, a combination of travel and tourism topics from core and additional units. This will enable you to gain the broadest knowledge and skills of these areas of the sector, from holiday planning in the UK to destinations in Europe and worldwide. You will learn how each element of the industry works together, leading to employment in this vast sector or progressing to study at university. Part of the programme involves study visits and guest speakers. In terms of study visits, this year we have been to Durham Cathedral, we've been to Radisson Blu Hotel in Durham. We've had guest speakers from both those organisations. We also have representatives from Hayes Travel Group, and we also have Jet2 who come in to speak with our students. We have Riviera Travel, Newcastle Airport and Balkan Holidays, all of whom are prospective employers. Alongside that, you will also visit a range of universities nearby, and if there is a particular university that you're interested in, we can arrange visits there too. So lots of good things to be doing and getting on with. You can also take part in your industrial placement within our in-house live travel agency. It's called EDC Travel. You can see there on the screen we've got a postcard designed by Bronya, who was one of our Level 3 Year 2 Travel and Tourism students just this March. Just letting you know that EDC Travel is still open for business, and there are contact details both on the college website and on the EDC Travel Facebook page. We really do hope to see our industry up and ready to start going again as soon as we can. We have some partners within business travel and tourism who support us. These include the Hayes Travel Group, Visit County Durham, Beamish Museum Partner and Durham Cathedral Partnership. These are really valuable in identifying industrial placements and job opportunities, and generally finding out as much information about the local market needs for us as a college and for you as students, so that we can tailor and adapt our learning and teaching towards employment in some of these areas. Having a partnership is really important. So, some frequently asked questions that you might find that you have. I will be available to answer more, but here we go. First question, are there any exams in these courses? And I can tell you no. At both level 2 and level 3, all assignments are portfolio based, although you may be given a test as assignment evidence. You may need to resit English and Maths exams though, so be prepared. They're really important. How am I graded? So all your work is graded with pass, merit or distinction criteria. For each assignment, there will be pass, merit and distinction criteria attached to it, and you will work through the evidence and work through the content of your assignment, and you'll be given a grading grid and some guidance, and you will be asked to achieve the best you can with additional research on top of the learning and teaching that you're given. Do we have to wear a uniform? Yes. This is to give you an identity as a group and to prepare you for industrial placements, meeting potential employers, and to prepare you for the world of work. No matter which job role you go into within the travel and tourism industry, you will be expected to wear some form of uniform. We're really proud of our students when they wear uniform, and I can tell you that as course leader for travel and tourism, at least one day a week I will wear the same uniform as you, so that you and I can all be colleagues together. So, as a college, we're all about getting the best out of you. Our college slogan is creating outstanding futures for a reason, and that's what you can expect all of the following at East Durham College. Industry specialists as your tutors, that's me. A dedicated progression coach who's there for your pastoral needs and tutorial needs. We will set you high expectations and outcomes for your progress, for your attendance and attitude and behaviour. We do have an open door policy, so come and see us at any time. Not only do we have your main programmes, but alongside that there are other optional aspects that you can take part in. So we have our business area where you can work alongside some of the business students and set up your own business, small business. We also have a series of sports academies at East Durham College. So football, rugby, tennis, cricket, dance, to name but a few. And lastly, we do have additional specialist support at the college for those who may need it. Amazing facilities. East Durham College Peterlee campus, which is where you'll study, is a multi-million-pound, truly amazing place to study and fit for the 21st century. On the screen you can see a whole host of facilities: TV gallery, radio station, 220-seat theatre, teaching and learning areas, college coffee shop, we proudly serve Starbucks, dance studio, and we have our football pitches, as well as our hairdressing salon and art studios and commercial kitchen. Live your bus life. We have partnerships with Arriva, and students get free bus travel to and from college on any Arriva bus service. If there's no Arriva bus service that comes by your house, no worries, the college can reimburse you if you need to use Stagecoach or other bus services instead. There are dedicated East Durham College buses which travel around the local area, but you can get on any of them from 8 in the morning till after 9 at night. Within the college we also offer a cash reward scheme, and the deal is any student who's 16 to 18 gets amazing cash rewards to help with the cost of college. So if you're on a household income of £25,000 below, you can get a whole range of cash bursaries and rewards. Another way to receive rewards is by joining me as a member of staff and other members of the team in the college and being a student ambassador for your course. We've had quite a good success rate in the past few years of people being commended for their work with the college as ambassadors on open evenings and interview nights. So something else to add to your CV and another feather for your cap. If you do want more information about the courses that I've gone through today, as I say, please contact Student Services on the number on screen or email enquiries@eastdurham.ac.uk, and they will pass your information on to me and I will follow that up sometime this week or in the next week or two so that we can get in touch. Now is the time when I plan to do some question and answers in the private chat, but as I say, please do contact me via Student Services and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions and talk over your application. That's all from me. I'd really like to thank you for listening and I hope to see you at college soon. Thank you.